Okay, so Mastermind just released a brand new all-in-one platform that can help you host your website, your courses, your membership programs, your coaching programs, whatever you want. Basically, anything in the online business space, Mastermind now has an all-in-one platform for you so that you can host all of your stuff. And I wanted to take you inside my computer today and show you one of my favorite features, which is the plug and play marketing tool system. It's awesome. You just answer a few questions and then poof, magic happens. You'll see. And so this video is for you if you wanted a sneak peek inside or you wanted a walkthrough of what just one of these features looks like, then come along for the ride and let's go into my computer. Okay, so here we are inside of Mastermind's brand new plug and play marketing tool. I'm going to start with the Sell Your Product sales page marketing plan. Let's try this. So you just click on it. All right, plug and play campaigns, direct sales page. Let's build my campaign. It says it takes 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pretty cool. Okay, fill in my name. What's the name of your product or offer? I'm gonna experiment with my course here. It's called Content to Clients. Okay, you can hit enter or you can just click on here. What kind of product is Content to Clients? It's a course. What's the price? $4.97. Will you offer any bonuses? Yes. Facebook community where I'm very active and answer questions and give feedback. Okay, ooh, this is fun. Please choose a color theme for your campaign. Well, these are very close to my brand colors, so I'm going to select this one. Congrats, your sales page campaign will be generated soon. Your funnel pages and emails should be updated within the next few minutes. So it says you can now navigate to your Mastermind marketing plan sales page inside the funnels and pages or email and social tabs. Okay, so that's over here. So either in the email and social tabs or funnels and pages. So let's go check that out. It was a sales page funnel. Let's see. Okay, so here's the main order page. Okay, this is a preview, so let's see what it generated for me. So this is pretty cool. By me taking, a minute to fill out those questions, it filled in certain things on this sales page for me. So right here you can see it says get content to clients plus the amazing bonuses now. So here's like a checkout section of the page. Basically, it's like a template where you fill in your own sales copy, but it has the whole entire sales page laid out for you, which takes out a lot of guesswork of building a sales page. So this is super awesome. Obviously, I have to insert my own photo here of my own product, put in my own copy, like I just mentioned, update the bonuses. Okay, so it did populate the price. Yours today for only $4.97. Here's another section that I would have to edit. Like this image doesn't make any sense for my product, so I would change out the image here. Here's a testimonial section. So then this would be another place to edit. I'll put in my actual testimonials here. And then it has a 30-day money-back guarantee, which oddly enough is exactly what I offer for this course. So that works. I don't have to change that. So let's experiment now with editing this page. To do that, I'm going to actually look at my real sales page. I already have a sales page and I have everything already set up on Kajabi, so I'm not planning to move all my stuff over right now or ever. I'm not really sure. I'm just at the experimentation phase right now with Mastermind's new product. But yeah, so I'm going to look at the sales copy I already have for here to go experiment with plugging it in over there and then see which sales page I like better, pretty much. All right, so I'm just going to copy paste some of this copy that I already have on here. Let's see, can I do it like this? Hey, it worked. I just highlighted it and then did copy paste. This is just an experiment, so I'm not going to go too deep on the nitty gritty here, but I'm just kind of showing you what you can do with the sales page that the plug and play generates for you, which is super cool. So this section here, anything with custom values, you want to just leave it as it is, because on the preview page, it will show the name of your product. But let's see here. The red is things that you're going to want to change. And I love how it's super easy to follow because they've laid out a proven flow of a sales page, and all you have to do is just plug in your own thing. Okay. All right. I'm looking back at my original sales page here. A 3-step system to attract and secure your first high-paying client. So that's what I'm going to put over here. To attract and secure your first high-paying client without any complicated tech. Here's what you get today. Now let's see if we can put an image in here. So this image, file. All right, here we go. Here's my thumbnail. Oh, there we go. I just had to double click it and then it put it in there. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So now you can see in this yellow section, it's just giving you copy tips here, which is really nice. And it says delete this because you don't want this like showing up on your final sales page. And it even tells you what you can ask Gigi. Gigi is Mastermind's own AI. It thinks like Dean and Tony, so it's super cool. And you get Gigi when you are a Mastermind member. So it says you can ask Gigi. Gigi, help me write benefit bullets for my type of program that helps your ideal client achieve desired outcomes. So it gives you the prompt, and again, you just fill in your own thing. Okay, a fun little side note here. This is the exact same process that I used to build my website, just using a different software because Mastermind didn't have this tool available at the time. This is brand new at the time that I'm recording this video. But when I went to build my website on Kajabi, I had purchased website templates, and then I used AI, I used ChatGPT to assist me in writing my sales copy. So I did the exact same process that Mastermind actually built all in one to help you create your website, your lead magnets, your sales pages, all of those things. So I just wanted to tell you that this process of having a template and then using AI to help you fill in your sales copy is really effective. If you have questions about how I did that, you can just let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. So you have to delete this section. So let's see if I click on the box. Okay. You click on it and then hover over and then delete the little trash can there. Okay, so now it's gone. Just for the purpose of this video, it's going to get way too long if I record the entire process of me like going through and updating every single section, but you can, my whole point in sharing this was I was trying to show you what will happen when you just go through and use the plug and play platform that Mastermind now has, and you fill in, you answer very simple questions, the sales page that it generates for you, and then how you can go in and edit it and make it your own. So I saved my work, so now let's go see what it looks like. So this is what the sales page looks like, just from the few things that I edited myself. So I edited this section, the online course, here's the image that I put in. This populated what it said it would, content to clients, the exclusive course from Brooke, Sears. Those are all the things that the plug and play already plugged in for me. That helps complete beginners on social media learn how to create content and close sales. Here's all the different benefits that I put in. I did not update this section. Like I said, to go through this whole thing, like this is gonna take some time. But what is awesome about this is that essentially the plug and play is the sales page template that you fill in, and it already plugged in certain things just by answering a few questions, which is super cool. Everything is customizable. Like you can literally, you add your own images, you can change the colors of the text, you can change the color of the theme. Like, you saw at the beginning, I chose a color palette for the plug and play. So you can update it however you want. Okay, now before I let you go, I would not feel good about myself if I did not tell you this, okay? This is something that I'm super passionate about. When you are at the beginning stage of building an online business, okay? I've been in the entrepreneurial world for over a decade. I've done so much trial and error myself, and so this is where I'm coming from when I tell you this. You do not need all of this complicated tech at the beginning. Like, funnels, websites, all of this stuff is really like next level. And I see, because I specialize in working with beginner entrepreneurs, where I see so many people like tripping up and really getting lost is
they get so sucked into trying to figure out all the tech. They try to set up a website. They try to build all these funnels. They try to like build all of these things. They even try to build products that they don't even know if anybody wants. And what they end up doing is they end up getting really frustrated because this kind of level of tech does have a steep learning curve. Like it does. I'm very fast at tech. It comes to me very naturally. And to learn how to use Kajabi I invested in an online course to learn how to use it. And it took me like 3 months to figure it out. Okay. Like to really, really figure it out. And I still at times like feel like I have so much to learn. So coming from somebody who's very good at tech, like building these kind of things, if you've never done this kind of stuff before, like there is a very big learning curve. And I just want to tell you super straightforward, you don't need any of this stuff like to get started. You don't need any of this stuff to start using social media as your main marketing platform and then start closing sales with real clients. Okay. Now that's a topic for another time, but I just had to like say this as a disclaimer because what I don't want to happen, because I care so much about the clients that I work with and future clients I'm going to work with, like when you are at the beginning stage, do not get lost in the tech. Like there is a way to sell first and start cash flowing first before you try to figure out how to like build all these funnels and all these like fancy pages and stuff. Okay. There's a way simpler way to do it. I'm super passionate about teaching that. And, yeah, I just want you to know that. I also want you to know, I think the Mastermind Business Hub business system is absolutely incredible. Like it really does have everything all in one, and it is going to save you so much time and energy. And just know that if you are a total beginner in this space, like if you are trying to just start your business, if you've never had a client before, like if you've never done your own thing before, know that this is something that if you choose to invest in this, see this as a platform that you can grow into. And I'm speaking for either this system or Kajabi or any of the other systems that have funnels and all these things, okay? See it as a platform and a tool that you are gonna grow into. And also know that you don't need to use all of this stuff right away. Like you don't need to know how to have this whole like email nurturing sequence if you don't have anybody in your audience in the first place to even nurture. So yeah, I just had to say that because it's like my pet peeve when I see beginners struggling and they're just like swimming in a sea of tech that they don't understand. And like, really, it's not the thing that moves the needle at the beginning. So let me say it again. You can sell first before you build out all of this other stuff. Okay. You know how it works. Links to all the stuff, how you can contact me and find out how I can support you are in the description box below. And yeah, we'll go from there. Okay. Bye.